Kia ora all and welcome to the Mangapohue Natural Bridge walk. Get ready to discover towering limestone bluffs, the stunning natural bridge Archway, and the beautiful streams that flows beneath it. It's an easy walk, it's free, and packed with natural wonders. Hit subscribe and let's ride. Welcome to the area of Waitomo. This is the Mangapohue Natural Bridge Scenic Reserve. Just a quick 10-minute walk. A sneaky glimpse of what you can see. What do you need to wear? Honestly, you could probably do this in bare feet if you wanted to. At least sandals or jandals. Doesn't look very swim friendly. Looks very eel friendly though. No. Beautiful limestone. There's your toilet stop. Looks like a long drop and it looks like it probably smells. We will never know. So this is approximately 30 minutes drive from the Waitomo caves, which is paid walking, and this one is a free one, so worth checking out. Oh, there's like sand down there. It is, it's like black sand, huh? Or mouldy sand.
No.
Wow, look at that wall. Limestone everywhere. It looks very Jurassic. Holy crap, that is high. Wowee. That there's gonna be a what? Good 25 meters? Everywhere. Kind of have this feeling like a bat's gonna swoop down. Nocturnal, but
You know, at
So-
night time, all this will be glowworms. It's beside the cliff face.
on the cliff face.
Yeah. All this will be all glowworms.
Gross.
And all the way up here.
Oh, glowworms. Okay, stay away from the side. Okay, there's poop here, which looks like sheep. Not sure how that happened. Hello. Hello, hello.
How are you?
Good. Hey. Oh wow, there's even like little cavey things down there which look creepy. Don't fall. That is an arc. God. Oh, that was a bird or a bat? It must be a bird.
Yeah.
It's lovely. Echo.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a fish trying to swim upstream. Maybe it's a salmon. Pretty sure you're not supposed to fish here, so.
Yeah.
Right?
Ooh.
It's very sandy. Fun fact, but this entire place is Glowwormville. So imagine how absolutely glorious it would be at night. More cave.
Imagine like, if there was a climbing spot and something's coming up here.
Climbing.
Yeah.
It's very green.
I'm just saying if it was scrubbed. Wow, it would be a hell of a climb.
Little hidey ho. Do not enter. Roger that. Oh, scary. a magical place. Only 10 minutes walk. Absolutely worth it. What did you think of this place? Would you fancy coming here? Let me know in the comments. I want to take the time to say thank you for watching. Help me grow. Subscribe and share with your friends if you haven't already. This guy's still on the treadmill. We've decided that this is his way of having fast food.